What's up, everybody? It's Rob back with another video. I have here a tempered glass screen protector from Skinomi for the Motorola Z3 Play. Now this is a clear HD, does register a 9H on the hardness ballistic tempered glass scale. It does have what they call ExTouch capabilities, allow you, to have the same sensitivity remains with the screen protector as if you didn't have a screen protector on there. I'm going to go ahead and do a quick install. It is backed by Skinomi's lifetime warranty. I think you're going to have to register it. It does feature an electro and oleophobic coating surface that helps prevent unwanted particles from nesting on the surface of the protector. Unboxing knife. You do get 3 in a packet, so if you mess up, you can try again. Now, inside you get alcohol pad. You also get the microfiber cleaning cloth. You get 3 alcohol pads for the 3 screen protectors. And you get 2 microfibers. And let's go ahead and show you right quick. 3 screen protectors. Take one out, we're gonna need it. And you get dust removal tape. You get 2 of them. What I would try to do is save it if you can, depending on how bad the area is, and just pretty much try to save this for another installation. I'm going to cut the phone off, which I just did. Go over it, wipe it off, shine it up, and we're going to do this install. Then I'm going to give you a quick assessment of it. Then I'm going to let you know how this screen protector work out after having it on for a week. Let you know if it's really true to what they say, where you don't have any fingerprint issues, and do I need to, what means I have to go through to clean it. All right, let's work this out here. Now there's a couple of ways this can be installed. I'm gonna run over a quick couple of examples, but let me go ahead and get this all cleaned up. Also, if you're working in a lint, an environment that has a lot of lint in the area, what you can do is spray the area around you with some kind of water bottle to bring your conditions down, where if there is any lint in the air, spraying a little mist around you and around your surface area can help cut down on lint getting in underneath the tempered glass. And for my OCD people out there, I got a little something extra for you. I'm going to show you if you happen to have this around. If you're really anal, use this. To get rid of extra lint for the extra OCD out there. On the bottom, you see these little humps right here, these little cutouts. There's 2 microphone holes on the bottom that you're going to have to line those up with too. So you see that? And the sensor, the camera sensor is on the inside of it. I have seen them where the screen protector comes over and cover the camera sensor, but the camera sensor is just inside of that hump, that cutout. So I'm testing it out, get an idea. Now I've seen people do this little thing where they just do part of it like I have right here, and then they lay the first part on there, not letting the tempered glass touch, and then they do this roll thing where they slide the tempered glass out from underneath it. I don't know if you want to do that one or not, or you can do the old school one where you just take it out and just drop the whole thing. All right. Boom, 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 boom. Boom. And you can see there's some air pockets. Can work them out. So far, so good. There's little pockets of air in the corner. That's one thing I never understood, how you get pockets of air under tempered glass. Get a close up, little air pocket right there, and work that out. Pretty decent. I like it. I don't like the type. It comes down to me too far over the actual logo. I'm really not into tempered glass that come that far down, but I guess they have their reasons. I'm gonna let this settle, and what I'm gonna do is gonna give you my opinion on this, and give you a review of this particular tempered glass from Skinomi. Now what I'm gonna do, you're gonna see another video with a follow-up to this in about a week. Other than that, if you have any other questions, please subscribe, leave your questions down below, give this video a thumbs up, and other than that, I'm out.